Imagine stepping into your kitchen, reaching for a pot or pan, and knowing you have the perfect tool to bring your culinary visions to life, without the worries of harmful chemicals or uneven cooking. That's the promise of the GreenPan Nova Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 10-piece cookware set. A thoughtfully designed collection that blends innovation, health-conscious materials, and unmatched convenience. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone just starting their cooking journey, this set has been curated to make meal preparation effortless and enjoyable. With features like a diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating, compatibility with all stovetops, yes, even induction, and an oven-safe design, this cookware elevates everyday cooking into an art form. Not only is this set practical, but it's also stunning in appearance. From the bold, modern design to the ergonomic handles, every detail is crafted to inspire confidence in the kitchen. And if you've been hesitant about investing in cookware, GreenPan Nova's reputation for durability and ease of use ensures that this is a purchase you'll be thrilled about for years to come. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Whether you're simmering soups or searing steaks, these pots and pans have you covered. Number 2. Thermalon Diamond-Infused Coating. The standout feature of this cookware is the Thermalon Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Coating, reinforced with diamonds for exceptional durability. It's free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making your meals healthier and your cookware safer. Number 3. Heavy Gauge Aluminum Construction. Each piece is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum for quick, even heating. The innovative induction base ensures compatibility with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. Number 4. Convenient design for modern kitchens. Ergonomic handles. Riveted stainless steel handles offer a secure, comfortable grip. Oven and broiler safe. Heat-resistant up to 600 degrees, perfect for stovetop to oven recipes. Dishwasher safe. Cleanup is a breeze, though most messes wipe clean effortlessly. Why choose GreenPan Nova? Healthier cooking. Thanks to its toxin-free ceramic coating, you can cook with minimal oil while avoiding harmful chemicals. This makes GreenPan an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals or families. Built for performance. From its balanced heating to its ultra-durable lids with utensil rests, every aspect of the GreenPan Nova cookware set is designed to optimize your cooking experience. Stylish and practical. The bold, modern design enhances your kitchen's aesthetics while ensuring practicality. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to handle and store. Pros of the GreenPan Nova cookware set. 1. Non-toxic and eco-friendly. Perfect for those looking to reduce exposure to harmful substances. 2. Versatile cooking options. Compatible with all stovetops and oven-safe, allowing for a wide range of recipes. 3. Durable and long-lasting. Diamond-reinforced coating ensures longevity. 4. Easy maintenance. Dishwasher safe with a non-stick surface that simplifies cleaning. 5. Ergonomic design. Comfortable handles and sturdy lids make cooking enjoyable. Cons of the GreenPan Nova cookware set. 1. Initial investment. While slightly pricier than basic cookware, the premium quality justifies the cost. 2. Avoid metal utensils. To maintain the non-stick coating, you'll need to use silicone or wooden tools. 3. Not ideal for high-heat cooking. Though oven-safe, extreme high-heat usage could affect its longevity. GreenPan Nova versus competitors. When compared to similar cookware sets, the GreenPan Nova stands out for its diamond-infused ceramic coating and versatile design. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware, it prioritizes health without compromising performance. Tips for maximizing your GreenPan experience. 1. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Stick to gentle sponges or the included Wonder Sponge. 2. Use low to medium heat. Preserve the non-stick surface and maximize its lifespan. 3. Pair with silicone utensils. Prevent scratches on the ceramic coating. Conclusion. Why the GreenPan Nova cookware set deserves a spot in your kitchen. After exploring the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the GreenPan Nova Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 10-piece cookware set, one thing is clear. This set is more than just cookware. It's a game changer for anyone who values healthy, hassle-free cooking. The combination of its toxin-free, diamond-infused non-stick coating, robust construction, and thoughtful design elements makes it a standout choice in today's cookware market. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or experimenting with gourmet recipes, these pots and pans are equipped to handle it all with style and efficiency. What truly sets this set apart is its attention to detail. From the ergonomic handles and dishwasher-safe design to the ultra-durable lids with built-in utensil rests, GreenPan Nova doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. And let's not forget its versatility, offering seamless compatibility with all stovetops, including Induction, and the ability to go straight from stovetop to oven. If you're looking to invest in cookware that's not only practical and durable, but also enhances the joy of cooking, the GreenPan Nova Cookware Set is an unbeatable choice. It's an investment in healthier meals, easier cleanup, and a more stylish kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.